वेलकम बैक दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का। सो फाइनली वन मोर अपडेट, फाइनली द सर्कुलर रिलेटेड टू द आईबीए यूनाइटेड फॉर्म ऑफ बैंक यूनियन दैट हैज़ बीन रिलीज्ड। सो दोस्तों सर्कुलर रिलीज हो चुका है, उसी को डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे विद द सर्कुलर ऑफिशियल अपडेट दैट वी हैव हियर फॉर एवरीवन। सो ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर एसोसिएशन की तरफ से दोस्तों ये सर्कुलर है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट फ्रेंड्स हियर। So, gist of the discussions held by IBA today. So, IBA held two rounds of discussions, one on 18th April and other 30th May 2024. So, on three issues, that is the review of ex gratia to the retirees as mentioned in 9th joint note inked on 8th of March 24. So, PLI scheme and improvement in hospitalization scheme for surging employees and retirees. So in continuation of the above two discussions, a physical meeting of the representatives of the trade unions who were party to understanding on 8th March 2024 was conducted today in the IBA office at Mumbai. So the IBA team of Shri Rajneesh Karnatak ji, Chairman Negotiating Committee and MD and CEO Bank of India, Indian Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. So IBA along with HR officials participated in the meeting. The original proposal mooted in the last wage revision in PLI scheme incentive by IBA was subsequently converted to profit linked incentive by the collective efforts. So the basis was operating profit. So in the 9th joint note inked on 8th March 24, it was made clear that provisions in the previous joint note which have not been amended, modified or superseded by this joint note shall continue to remain force. So in effect for the financial year ended 31st March 24, the profit linked incentive should be based on only on one factor, that is the operating profit. So in spite of the fact that the banks have booked operating profit, the metrics fixed in the last wage revision was not facilitating maximum benefits to maximum workforce. So as per the observations made by the team IBA, it has been proposed to lay down 8 parameters, that is CASA, NPA, SMA, net interest income, total business profitability, ROA, ROE and the government schemes. And the sixth, so thus profit linked incentive introduced in the last wage revision at industry level is in the process of being converted to performance linked incentive to be decided at the bank level. So IB is expected to issue the advisory to the banks on the above lines. So if implemented, it will lead to a situation of deviating from policy of uniform wages and services condition for the banking industry who are party to IBA settlements, and it may lead to further bank-wise understandings and settlement. तो बैंक पेंशनर्स के लिए यहाँ पे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज इंश्योरेंस बैक्ड हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन स्कीम. The proposal articulated in the discussions were specifically centering or around reduction of premium and increase in the benefits. So suggestions were made, that is composite policy for serving and retired workforce. So coverage as available in SBI, involving SBI insurances in the process of participating in the expression of interest. So exemption of GST, constitution of committee as per the agreement of 25th May 2015 at bank level to settle the disputes, harassment of TPA for reduction, for producing the original bills, for processing the claims. सो फ्रेंड्स ये है पूरा अपडेट. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं PLI को ही ज़्यादा तवज्जो दी गई है. फॉर द एक्स ग्रेशिया आल्सो दे हैव मेंशन्ड वन वर्ड. सो लेट्स सी रिव्यू ऑफ एक्स ग्रेशिया एज मेंशन इन द 9th जॉइंट नोट. सो यहाँ पे आई थिंक इसके बाद एक और राउंड हैपन होने वाला है. सो उसी में कुछ ना कुछ आउटपुट निकलेगी, दैट इज इन द वर्चुअल मीट. So that's all for this session. So kindly share the update and support us by clicking the join button so that we keep on producing the more videos.